ako sa Pinas, dito sa US. That's all it when I was in the Philippines. Hey, Greg. Si Greg yan, oh. Galing ata itong Pinas kasi marunong daw siya magkain ng lumpia. Yeah, lumpia is very delicious. Pancit, lumpia. No. Corned beef lumpia. Shrimp lumpia. Chicken lumpia. What else? Pork lumpia. Bulacan naman po ako. Bulacan po ako. Ah, taga Bulacan ka pala. So, akala ko magkapit-bahay kayo ni Alan, pinsan. Pan is good too. Pork lumpia, yummy. My favorite is beef and pork together lumpia. Pancit, not.